Hello guys, what's up? If you want to know how you can animate a biker character, follow this video up to end. Well, now you see the character that I rigged before. If you don't know how to rig a character, please go to the link above this video. First, in After Effects we need to animate the background objects. Let's resize the composition. Scale background layer. Pre-comp similar objects. Open them. Press Ctrl K to open composition setting and resize. Reposition with press P. Then press Ctrl D for duplicate. Do same work for other compositions. Okay, let's animate them. Make position for grasses like it, and move it for Animate. Also do for trees layer and clouds. Closer objects slower than distant objects. Before animating, select Biker all layers and pre-comp them. Set composition name to Bicycle Run. Here is important part of our animation. Then pay attention. Open composition. Now I want to rig this character. Let's do it. Select all, then press T and decrease the layer's opacity. Here you can increase your layer's quality. Look at this area. This area is highlighter from other layers. Pair body layers only like this. Set the anchor point on right places for each layer. select all and change opacity to 100. I want to change the character place where I prefer to be. The most powerful plugin in rigging is Do Weak Vassal. Apply it and do what I do. Select related parts and click on Auto Rig. For example, 3-part of right hand. Okay, now I want to animate legs. Select all layers again and hide all, then unhide legs controller. Then go to rectangle tools and select ellipse tool. Then create an ellipse exactly here. Remove fill. Go to Start, then go forward 1 second and set new position for one leg. Look at your body should be like it. Go to second 2 and set keyframe with position and rotation. Pay attention to leg position. Go to second 3 and set keyframe with position and rotation. On second 4, copy start keyframes with Ctrl C, then Ctrl V. Do it for different leg, but position should be in different place from each other. When right leg is in right place, left leg should be in left place. Now create a rectangle like it in here and do this work. If you want the character to get faster or slower, go this way. Select all layer, then press Alt, and go to last keyframe, click and drag left or right. In main composition, move the bicycle run comp to ground. Finished. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and like video because I need your support.